I'm going to show you how to make a buffalo chicken pizza. Cook your chicken in the microwave to 165 degrees. For each pizza you're making, you're going to need 2 chicken breasts. You want to cut the chicken into small cubes for this, not strips like for the wraps. So first you strip it, and I use a pizza wheel and just chop it up. Remember, you have a 16-inch pizza to cover with this chicken, so you want it small so that every bite gets a piece without having to add more chicken. Okay, I think that's pretty good. You kind of just have to eyeball it. It just needs to be very small pieces. You want to work with your chicken while it's still warm because you're going to marinate it with buffalo sauce, and you want to make sure that it'll soak it in. Warm chicken will soak in, cold chicken will not. Put the buffalo sauce on it and mix it around so it's all covered. And we're going to let that sit in that marinade while we top our pizza. So you want to grab your pizza. I've already spread this dough out, but you want to do the pinches around the outside edges. See any places on your dough that you can see the metal of the pan through the dough? You want to try to push some more dough in that area because that is a thin spot and you don't really want to have any of those. So what we're going to do is make our sauce. Buffalo pizza doesn't get regular sauce. You want to use your measuring cup. You want a 1/4 cup of ranch dressing, then an 1/8 cup of buffalo sauce, and 2 spoons of the liquid whirl butter. This just makes it thinner and easier to spread out without adding or changing the flavor at all. Mix that all up. And that becomes the base for your pizza. You can use the same spoon that you used to stir it together with to spread it out again the whole way to the pinches, but not covering them, the whole way around the pizza. It smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Even at 6 o'clock in the morning, it smells good. Then you want to take your chicken, put it over. I try to dump it all around to start off with, because the more you move it, the more sauce you move. Spread it out really good. Over the whole pizza. And you'll know if you cut your hunks of chicken too large because you won't have enough to go the whole way around your pizza. Now you're ready to put the cheese on. Just like all the pizza, it takes 3 cups of cheese. Besides not getting sauce, buffalo chicken pizza also doesn't get the Italian seasoning. It gets garlic salt sprinkled on top. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle the garlic salt over the pizza. Since we're not currently gonna bake this pizza, we're waiting till closer to lunchtime. All you need to do now is put it back in the bag that you got it out of and store it in the cooler. Pizzas in the cooler are good for 2 days. It doesn't matter if it's just dough or dough that's already been sauced and cheesed like this. Either way, it's 2 days from the time it leaves the freezer until it needs to be baked. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to make a small pizza. Small pizzas are made to order only. We do not make them for in the grab and go, but it's important that everyone knows how to make them. Take a 5-ounce calzone dough, the same dough that you use for, say, stromboli or a flip, and you spread it. And you pinch it. You want to put your sauce on. I'm using a 1-ounce ladle for the sauce for the small pizza. And the cheese. Small pizzas, all small pizzas get 1 cup. Just like all large pizzas get 3, all smalls get 1. And then the pizza seasoning. Customers can request any toppings on this pizza for any amount that they want, but it is an additional charge for each topping once we get past the cheese.
Got a minute, make it Nittany. Nittany Minute Mart. Saving minutes and money for you. Fill your tank and grab a meal. Java Nation coffee too. Quick and fast in a hurry.